Okay, so I'm out at a neighborhood and it's off Kernan, and I'm with ICI Homes here, and this is the house. It's called the Palos Verdes, and it's a beautiful house. In the front of it, it has like a sitting area, some stone, then you go up the stairs and you've got this little sitting area in the front of your house here. And this is looking across the street. Association fees are all about $4,000 all in here a year. That includes everything, CDD and all that. Then you come in. This is the front. Looks like this. It's like a little entry area, and you see the stairs. You can get the wood with the metal or the stainless steel, but it's very expensive because, as you can see, in the Palos Verdes, you have a lot of staircase, a lot. So they say that most people are doing wood because it's cheaper. And then this is a nice little entry room you can make into a library. This is what it looks like. Then you come in here. This is the living room area. 2 chairs and a couch fit in here nicely. And a regular size TV, not too big. I guess you really don't want a giant TV because it takes over the house. Love these curtains that all match in the dining room and in the living room. And then they've got pictures on the walls that coordinate, of course. Love that they didn't do shelves in here. They did shelves instead of cabinets. That's unusual. Wow. It's really unusual having everything out where you can see it. I haven't seen that before. And let's see if it is a double oven. No, it has a microwave and 1 oven. No double oven, okay? And a dishwasher, monogram, which is better step away up than Whirlpool. And it's a pretty view from here. You can see your stairway. This is probably like a 2-person last house. But you are pretty close to your neighbor. You can see the neighbor's house there, but you've got this much in between. Okay, and then it fits a nice big table. Nice rug under the table. Just a neutral color rug. I don't know what this rug is. It doesn't say there. I like this rug. It's cute. It's nice and heavy. And then it looks out to your pool. And your pool is one of those pools where it tips over the edge. Wow, the water's even going over the hot tub. That's weird. I don't know how that works. The hot tub shouldn't be underwater. That could be a problem. I don't know. But I like this pool. And you can see basically your whole backyard's pool. And then it looks out at the wooded area, which is nice. And they do have one wooded area lot with a pond that you could build this on. And it's got a summer kitchen. And it has another nice sitting area. And they've done the nice flooring all the way to the high doors, which have windows above it. So that's an option you could add to do the windows above the tall doors. But again, I don't get why that hot tub isn't higher than the pool. I didn't know you could do it this way. Okay, and this is the living room. This is what you would see here. I don't know how I like no cabinets there. That's kind of odd. I like glass cabinets that you can look through. So let's go this way and see what's in here. Okay, they got a little thing here and cut in the stairway. Okay, so here's the master bedroom. Could fit a nice king-size bed, as you can see, with a lot of pillows. And it has 2 windows and a big window area that's really pretty, looking out at the pool and the woods, not your neighbor's backyard, which is a plus when it looks out at the woods. Then you come in here. Oh, it's got like a little understair area here for suitcases. That's pretty cool. And then they've squeezed that in there, and they have, it's not very big, but that's nice that it has that little annex area. And then here's another closet to the other side. I would definitely not have carpet in here. Carpet is such a no-no these days. You don't want it. These floors are really nice. And here I am. Hi, guys. I'm losing my jeans here. Here I am. And this is the shower area. They've done some inlays in the shower. It's really pretty. Love this thing. It's a towel rack. That's really good to have if you don't have towel racks on the wall. And here it looks like this is, ooh, this is a picture. Wow, that's a picture. Okay, so that's not a cabinet. Then it has a recessed ceiling, which is really cute for a bathroom. And again, I like the way they put the towels like that. That's a really cool thing to have to hold towels. It's lightweight. Hi. I'm gonna go in here. Ew, dirty toilet. But it's a nice little toilet area. Okay. Houses aren't selling too great right now in Duval County, Florida, and St. Augustine. They're kind of at a standstill right now. More people are renting because there's not a lot of people who can get approved right now. It's sad. I'm hoping the job market gets better in Florida. I do kind of like the colors they've used, but again, like I'm old school. I like the vent over the stove, but I don't really like open shelves. I don't want people to see in my cabinets. I just don't. Okay, then you go over here. Oh, this is nice. Love glass pantry doors. And here is the pantry. Look how cute this is. It's adorable. I love the pantry. I love built-in shelves. It just makes it so much better. So they're using this as their cabinet. Look, they're putting their glasses in here and stuff, showing you that because you don't have kitchen cabinets there, you would use the pantry for that. Okay, and then you walk in here, and off the kitchen is a washer and dryer laundry room. Okay. And then you come out here. You can see the pool again, and then you got your stairs that go way up. Okay, so let's go up the stairs. So they use wood for the railing. They use this wrought iron. Wood for the stairs. Not really my color wood. I don't like typically this orangish colored wood. To me, it goes back in time. It's kind of cheap looking, actually. That's the one thing I don't like. And then I don't like carpet. I'm just being honest, giving you guys my honest viewpoint. Jeannie Jones, honest viewpoint here. More carpet. Okay, and this is a kid's room. Here it is, with your little photo things. I do love these photo things. These are so cool. Where do you get these? How do you attach that? It's so cute. It's like metal. I love this. I love cute pictures over your bed. I think that's so cool. And it's just a little comfy. Oh, these are soft too. Feathered filled. Twin bed, little nightstand. And then outside, now this I wouldn't like I wouldn't want this house because it looks, well, it does have a pretty pond there, but you're going to have a house right across the street. I like to be as far away from all the other people as possible with a preserved view. But this is a bathroom, which is really nice. I love the little window. Double sinks. You come in here, and here we got another nice little sink area. Then we got the bathroom here. So this is a pretty cool Jack and Jill bathroom. And then you come to this bed. Love these colors. Love these colors. I don't know who would sit on the bed. I like this like Muslim comforter. It's very pretty. I wonder who makes this comforter. I'd love to know because I would love to buy one of these. Doesn't say. That's the one thing that's so sad about model homes. They're so gorgeous, but when you want to copy them, sometimes it's hard. Okay, here's a tag. It says it's made by Casaluna, and it's a full queen. Casaluna. I love this. I love decorators. Oh my God. You could just hire a decorator or just buy the model. You're set. Look how pretty that is. It's just this room has a feel good to it. I love that little stool. This is a Casa Luna. Really cute. Very soft and comfortable. Then you come out of here. I think this is where they keep the unit. They are using Carrier units, which is a good unit. Come out here, and you have a nice little, really cute family room. And one of my favorite things about this model is that it does look out over the pool into a wooded area, which is really pretty. It's just, if ever you can build on a woods, and I just wish they'd preserve as much woods as possible, this is really nice. And as you can see, it's pretty roomy up here, and it gets quite a bit of light from all the windows. And then you go through here, and you're in a beautiful bathroom. Look at what they've put in here. They really went and upscaled this bathroom with this beautiful, nice, soft brick. Love it. It says Chicago brick. That is beautiful. Hi. Here we go, some little towels. Love how they go to the ceiling with the curtains. That's always important, to go to the ceiling with your bathroom curtains. And this is really cute how they did this. I have the same couch. I have this couch, but I don't have this nice big hassock. I love this hassock. It's so pretty. And here we are. And that's it, guys. And this house is a Palo Verde by ICI Homes. And it's out towards the beach. Bye.